When visioning the clear future you want to create, an activity also known as visioneering, should your clarity be focused on the big goal you want to accomplish or on short-term goals? You can do both. You're always working on the business and life you're in, while building the business and life that you have in mind for the future. Have the vision and let the how to do it fill in, while focusing on what you can do this month, this week, and today to make progress towards your short-term goals. If you continue to do both, one day the today thing will be the big goal. You have to know where you're going while doing what needs to be done today. 90% of your time should be focused on now, 10% on what will be. The universe can only help you accomplish your dreams and goals if you believe it can. When you experience a thought, which is actually a belief, if it feels bad when you think it, you are in a suffering state in regard to the belief, and that is the problem, because you cannot create powerfully from a suffering state. If you believe something cannot happen in a short period of time, you're enrolling a very sophisticated mechanism to create that belief into reality. When you're thinking something that's moving you into a suffering state, what you're thinking is not true. If you find any doubts or negative expectations relating to your goal, ask yourself, is that really even true? What do you believe about what you are learning now? Just decide you're going to be in a beautiful state. That is, knowing it is possible to get what you want and feeling good when thinking about it. First, when you have the vision and clear out your limiting beliefs, time isn't an issue. So many things will happen, it seems to defy time. Second, proceed to live in a beautiful state as consistently as possible while transitioning from the creations of the past into your vision for the future. To allow maximum intelligence flow, coincidence showing up, the more problems can be solved faster, and the more there are no problems. Do this, and the vision will happen. So set your doubts aside. To recap, be clear on a vision. Be patient, and remember what's happening on a grand, universal scale is always bigger than you. It is not you just doing menial tasks. If you believe you can't lose weight, your entire neurophysiology is wired so. Make a new decision about losing weight. Before that, you can't lose it. Ask yourself these questions regarding losing weight. Why might it not happen? Why might that be very difficult? Why could that be very challenging? You'll experience the world based on what you've decided the world will be for you. Your brain is this electric device that's transmitting your decisions and beliefs everywhere all the time. You can co-create with it in this holographic reality that's almost like the Matrix itself. What do you believe about yourself, money, relationships, and time? When you aren't experiencing the resistance of fear, doubt, procrastination, indecision, and overwhelm, you can accomplish more in 1 year than you could accomplish in a decade.